Hey there, in this video we will look at how to integrate GPT-powered chatbot that can respond to queries on Telegram channel using Whautomate platform and OpenAI. Let's dive into it. Once you log into the platform, you need to go into the integrations menu. We just integrated Telegram in the previous video, and now we need to go into OpenAI. You can click on connect if you're setting it up for the first time. It will have connect as the call to action. You can click on that and you need to put in the API key from OpenAI. And it's pretty simple to get one as well. You can go to platform.openai.com and you can view the API keys and add them as well. You can also sign up for a new platform account and you get free credits as well with the trial account with OpenAI too. Once that is done, you copy the API key and put it in here. The next step is you need to embed your business data. Basically, the chatbot will actually use this information to respond to queries on your business data as such, and this is crucial for the bot to work as well. And currently we accept the data formats in text file as well as PDF files, and it doesn't have to be in question and answer format. If you just have a text file with information about your business, you can pretty much straight away upload that file onto our platform and the bot will work pretty fine. I've already uploaded our business data that we've got on our website. We have uploaded them as text files so that it's easier for the bot to understand, and you can pretty much upload a file by clicking on the button here and click on import and train data button. Once this is done, you need to go into the automations menu under communications. I'm just going to click on that. We have pretty much all sorts of rules installed, but for this demo we will look at Telegram. We don't have anything installed on Telegram, and in order to install the GPT powered bot, I'm going to click on add rule and choose Telegram, and we have two options. One is the customer service bot that can understand your business information. The other one is general GPT bot that you can narrow down to a particular topic and respond in general. We will use this for this demo. I'm just going to click on install. It should install a bunch of rules. So basically what we are doing here is whenever we get an incoming message, and if the message type is text and we only want the AI to respond to a private chat, we don't want it to respond to a channel or group or other types of conversations as well. And if you want to do so, you can do so as well. And here, this is the prompt for our bot to work. Basically, we're just instructing what this bot is and what it can do and things like that, and we will attach the context for the bot based on the data that you have uploaded on the OpenAI tab as such. And whenever the AI cannot answer or if there is a failure, it'll just transfer the chat, and basically here in the other one, if the outgoing message has the keywords, then we are transferring the chat to unassigned queue. So in order for the bot to work, we'll just go back to the team inbox and make sure this particular chat is currently in open status. Just a quick thing to note here: whenever a chat in Whautomate is in unassigned or open, that means the chat is being answered by a human agent. The bot won't actually work. If you want the bot to work, you need to move the chat to closed status. I am going to move the chat to closed. Now that we've got everything set up, let's just test out whether the AI chat. Now that we have connected OpenAI and uploaded the files onto Whautomate platform, let's dive into the demo. Let's just type in a query and see if the bot automatically responds. I'm just going to type in hello there, and the bot is actually automatically responding as well. I am just going to ask what is Whautomate. Based on the information that we have already uploaded, it should it should respond to us with that information. Let's just ask what are the features available, and it should be able to respond as well. We can see the bot is automatically responding to queries based on the business information. Just a note here, if the bot cannot answer the query based on the context that you have given, it will transfer the chat, because we have instructed the bot to transfer the chat to a human agent as such, and then you can take over the chat from the team inbox point of view. Or if you would like to implement a keyword based transfer, you can also do that by customizing the automation rules that we have installed as well. We have 7-day free trial. You can sign up for a free trial and try out the integration and play around with the integration, and if you're happy with it, you can start using it for your business as well. Thank you.